Avery Dark Fabric Transfers are a fun way to customize dark-colored t-shirts and other items. These transfers are designed for colored fabric that is 100% cotton or a polycotton blend. When used properly, they are guaranteed to be fade-resistant for up to 20 washes. Let's walk through how to design, print, and trim Avery Dark Fabric Transfers. When getting ready to design your fabric transfer, please reference the Avery product number on the front of your package in order to ensure that the transfer prints properly. Start designing with Avery Design and Print software at avery.com/templates using your computer, tablet, or mobile phone. Type in the Avery product number and click Start Designing. There are pre-designed templates that you can customize with your own text and images, or you can choose a blank template to upload your own design or to create a design from scratch. There are options on the left for adding or changing design elements in your project, such as text and images. To update text, just click into the text box to activate the text menu. Please note that any white areas in your design will remain white when you apply the transfer. When you're happy with your design, click Preview and Print. When you choose Get PDF to print, you can save your design to a free Avery account so you can come back to it later. Next, you'll see important printing instructions for your browser. Be sure to follow them carefully for the best print results. Print using an inkjet printer. Dark fabric transfers don't need to be flipped because they are applied face up. Trim around your design using scissors, a hobby knife, or a die cutting machine. Rounded corners seem to adhere better to the fabric than straight edge corners. Remember that any blank areas will remain white, so trim away any white that you don't want to show. Now, you're ready to apply your design. Watch our ironing and care instruction videos to see how. Follow the ironing instructions carefully for the best results. If you have additional questions, visit avery.com/help to check out more videos and see other information about fabric transfers or to contact our care team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.